Imagine being the CEO of a rapidly growing tech startup that just landed a massive contract with a Fortune 500 company. As you and your team celebrate this major milestone, you need a reliable, high-performance mobile workstation that can keep up with your demanding projects. In this scenario, Lenovo's ThinkPad P16s Gen 4 is the ultimate game changer. We all know how challenging it can be to find a laptop that seamlessly integrates productivity, creativity, and real-time collaboration, especially when it's essential to be always on the go. This is exactly where the ThinkPad P16s Gen 4 shines. It's designed to bridge the gap between work and play, empowering professionals to tackle even the most daunting tasks with ease and fluidity. Unboxing the ThinkPad P16s Gen 4, you'll be immediately impressed by its sleek, compact design that's both durable and ergonomic. The laptop weighs in at just over 3.9 pounds, making it remarkably portable and convenient for daily transportation. The magnesium alloy chassis exudes a premium feel, and Lenovo's characteristic attention to detail ensures that every button, switch, and crevice is expertly crafted. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the AMD Ryzen AI 7 Pro 350 processor. This high-performance processor boasts an impressive 8 cores and 16 threads, providing a robust foundation for seamless multitasking and real-time workload optimization. You'll love the way the laptop handles resource-intensive tasks like video editing, 3D modeling, and complex data analysis. But don't let the impressive specs fool you. What truly sets the ThinkPad P16s Gen 4 apart is its remarkable user experience. A numeric keypad lets you swiftly navigate spreadsheets, type out messages, and crunch numbers, all without sacrificing the laptop's overall portability. With 32 gigabytes of DDR5-5600MT RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD, you'll enjoy the freedom to tackle demanding creative projects and enjoy the rapid loading times, making this a dream machine for artists, engineers, and IT specialists alike. Another standout feature of this machine is its stunning OLED 16-inch QXGA touchscreen display, which boasts an exceptional 3840 by 2400 resolution and over 14 million pixels of color. When paired with Lenovo's proprietary X-Rite color calibration technology, this display can render even the most subtle gradients and subtlest shades with uncanny accuracy. You can work, create, and present with confidence, knowing your colors are always precise. Let's dive deeper into performance with some real-world testing. In our scenario, as the CEO of a booming startup, we find ourselves needing to make a critical presentation to a potential investor. We fire up our ThinkPad P16s Gen 4, open Adobe Photoshop, and start editing a stunning visual campaign for our new product launch. The laptop effortlessly handles the 16-megapixel images, and the AI-driven rendering engine delivers the desired level of precision and quality in real time, freeing up precious time for refining our presentation. However, with the added power comes a slightly noticeable power bump. In battery life testing, we clocked around 10 hours, 32 minutes of usage time in standard productivity scenarios. While we wouldn't call this underwhelming, it's still a bit below what some other similarly spec'd laptops from other manufacturers have managed. Still, you won't have to constantly recharge to get your tasks done. Now, let's discuss some pros and cons to give you a complete picture. Pros: compact design with impressive performance per pound ratio, robust CPU architecture ideal for AI-driven tasks, sturdy construction with a beautiful magnesium alloy chassis, great OLED display for crisp visuals, comprehensive array of high-speed ports and USB-A compatibility, strong battery life when paired with a high-capacity power solution. Cons: some might find the numeric keypad placement takes getting used to, while battery life has some room for growth. You'll miss out on the full-fledged gaming experience some of the top gaming rigs can deliver. Compared to competitors, the ThinkPad P16s Gen 4 stands head and shoulders above other similar units from HP and Dell, particularly when it comes to AI-driven rendering capabilities and precision touch display. For users who are already deeply entrenched in the Lenovo ecosystem or need unparalleled AI support, you'll find yourself right at home. In conclusion, With the ThinkPad P16s Gen 4, Lenovo truly has raised the bar for professionals, artists, and creatives seeking the ultimate portable workstation. With its powerhouse performance, breathtaking display, and exceptional portability, this ThinkPad shines as a beacon of high-end productivity in an increasingly competitive market. Don't just take our word for it. Experience the difference today. To explore this revolutionary mobile workstation in more detail, visit Lenovo's official website and discover what Lenovo's latest offering can do for your creative and professional endeavors.